Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to set up price alerts on CoinGecko. If you're trying to track cryptocurrency prices and don't want to miss sudden market moves, then CoinGecko makes it easy to set up price alerts so that you get notified when a coin reaches your target price. First of all, in order to do that, launch open the CoinGecko application on your mobile device, whether you are using Android or iOS. Once you're inside the homepage of CoinGecko application, also make sure that you've signed into your account, and once in the home screen, go ahead and tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner. You'll then be able to see this profile menu where you need to click on Alerts under Helpful Tools. Now once you're inside this Alerts tab, go ahead and tap on Custom Price Alerts under Coins, and then if you have added any price alerts, you'll be able to see it on this page. If you want to add a new alert, tap on Add Price Alert at the very bottom of the screen and select the coin you'd like to add price alert on. Type in the name of the coin or choose one from the menu, and then on the next page, go ahead and enter your target price when you want to be alerted in the text box appearing at the top. After typing down the target price, click on the drop down right next to it to set your currencies or select your currency, and then under frequency, select whether you want to be alerted one time or repeatedly. And once you are done choosing the frequency, tap on Add Price Alert at the bottom. Click on Save in the pop-up, and you have now successfully added a price alert in CoinGecko. Now you'll receive notifications when your selected cryptocurrency hits your target price, helping you make timely decisions without constant monitoring. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.